So here is how to Photoshop with AI for free. So to get started, you first need to open up your Photoshop application. And as you can see, my app is now open. And keep in mind that you will need a certain subscription plan in order to access the AI features. To get started, you can just create a new file or open an existing one. I'll just go over to my desktop folders and drag in an image. So once the image opens up, you will get to see these options on the bottom. This is where you will find all the AI features. First, let's just select the lasso tool from the left panel. And after selecting it, I'll just draw in a circle around the item. And upon selecting, you will get to see some different options on the bottom panel. For example, remove or generative fill. And since I'm on the free version, this is currently not available. But if you click on it, you'll be able to fill in the selected space using AI. You can also type in what you want it to be filled with. And that's it. That is how to Photoshop with AI.